Namaste yogis. Today I'm coming to you with a beautiful pranayama sequence, breathwork, to use every single day. It's the perfect combination to start your day if you're looking for a quick routine for your pranayam. So let's get right into it by sitting in a comfortable position with your palms facing upwards to receive the higher divine energy. Allow your eyes to fall closed. Take a deep breath in. Open your mouth and exhale. Deep breath in. Exhale. Last one. Deep breath in. And breathe out. Setting a strong intention for your practice today, just take a quick moment to ask yourself, why am I practicing pranayam this morning? What is my intention? 3 stages today, as we begin with stage 1, Anuloma, viloma, alternate nostril breathing. Bring your hands into what we call Nasika Mudra. You can look at the screen if you need to, just like this. I'll invite you to slowly close your right nostril and you're going to breathe through your left. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Close your left nostril and breathe out through the right. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in through the right. 2, 3, 4. Exhale through the left. 2, 3, 4. In. 2, 3, 4. Out. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3. Last round. In. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Take a moment. Center yourself. Allow yourself to just ground. Feel the energies. Allow yourself to relax. As we glide into Bhastrika pranayam, we'll be doing 20 counts. So bring your hands to your shoulders into a fist. I'm going to invite you to inhale forcefully and exhale forcefully. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And relax. Take a moment. Breathe. Let's glide into our final pranayam for today, Brahari pranayam. I invite you to place your thumbs by your ears, index finger above the eyebrows, middle finger by the eyes, ring finger by the nose, and the pinky finger by the cheeks. You'll be inhaling through the nose, and as you exhale, you'll be making a ma sound. Let's do 10 rounds together. Deep breath in. and relax. Release the hands on your knees, palms facing upwards, keeping your eyes closed. And just take a moment to feel all these beautiful, positive energies as you took this time to fuel your being with prana. Feel that expansion in your chest, the vastness in your heart, the calmness in your mind. Allow yourself to absorb, dissolve, and feel. Just take a few moments in silence here, tuning into your peace center. And let's affirm to ourselves that I am a peaceful, a powerful soul, just flowing through life, through different roles. I love and I accept myself as I am. I trust the process of life. I release all fears and doubts. I am grateful for all the blessings in my life, and I make use of every single day, every single opportunity to learn and to grow. I am free. I am at peace with myself. I am. Hands to your heart center, Namaskara Mudra. Let's just take a moment to pray for the well-being of this entire universe. May all living beings be happy. May all be free. May there be no sickness and no misery. By the grace of the enlightened ones, may there be peace in this universe. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukhabhag bhave. Bow your head down. Utmost humility, positivity, and love. Rub your palms together, generate that lovely energy. Give yourself a wonderful massage, forehead and cheeks in the upward direction, and gently opening up your eyes with a heightened experience of inner awareness and inner peace. I wish you a lovely day ahead, and I really hope this pranayam helped you. I'd love it if you'd like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one for more wellness, more positivity, more love, and more harmony together. Namaste.